So guys, we have top stories on CoinMarketCap here. It says, can blockchain replace Facebook? So this is the latest news updates from CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, CoinMarketCap's podcast just dropped. So you know that CoinMarketCap and podcast usually drops on a weekly basis. So you guys can go check them out on Apple, Google Podcast, Spotify. It gives you in depth on CoinMarketCap's and latest. Says there could BTC hit $150,000 this year. This is a news update, and there's every possibility, guys. El Salvador is already cashing out on BTC because they bought lots of dips, and currently the price of BTC has gone up to $55,000, and let's say $53,000, and still looking forward to $60,000 mark, and also future increments. We have Facebook crisis means for crypto. So, guys, these are some of the interviews and updates you'll be learning on CoinMarketCap podcast. I might not be able to play the podcast for you, but you can check them out on Google Play Store, and check on Google Podcast and Apple Podcasts, Spotify to these platforms. These are where you can get access to them. It's really informative, and we do recommend you check them out. We have Shiba Inu, El Salvador, Crypto Billionaires, CoinMarketCap's Molly Chain, Zuckerman also joined us with the round of week. So guys, one love guys. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. I'll be right here to attend to you. And I hope this update is helpful to you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share. I'll be dropping a link to CoinMarketCap Diamonds. I'll be dropping a link to other packs on CoinMarketCap so you can participate on them. So guys, peace out guys. One love, Shubai Keys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. One love guys.